Welcome to Lakay, your new Haitian social network. This platform was built by Gesner Deslandes, engineer-in-chief at globalinternet.py, to bring the Haitian diaspora and Haitians at home together in a modern, secure, and fun digital space. In this guide, we will explain one of the most exciting features: video calling, real-time chat, and creative backgrounds, all for free, right inside your social feed. Getting started is easy. Open the app, click on Sign Up, fill in your full name, email address, and choose a password of at least 6 characters. Confirm your email, then log in. You are now part of the Lakay family. Once you are logged in, go to the Friends and Chat section from the side menu. Search for your friends by name and send them a friend request. When they accept, they appear in your friends list. Next to each friend, you will see a call button. Click it, and a unique room ID is automatically generated and sent to your friend via chat. Your friend receives the room ID, clicks the same call button, and joins the same room. You are now in a live video call. The call functionality is completely free. It is powered by Jitsi, a trusted open-source platform. No tokens, no hidden costs. It works out of the box. Just grant camera and microphone access when prompted by your browser. You can see and hear each other as long as you both have a stable internet connection. While you are on the call, you can also chat in real time. Send text messages, links, or emojis without leaving the call. You can share your screen to show documents, photos, or anything else on your device. You can add a virtual background by uploading your own image in PNG, JPG, JPEG, or GIF format and appear in front of any scenery you like. You can also react with emojis during the call to keep the conversation lively. All these features are built directly into the call window. No extra downloads, no complex setups. Beyond video calls, you have private chat with your friends. You can send text messages anytime. You can share pictures and videos directly in the chat by uploading a file. With one click, you can repost a shared image or video to your own timeline. Your chats are stored securely, and you can always go back to past conversations. You can also personalize your profile. Upload a profile picture to become your avatar. You can also upload a background image for your profile page, giving it a unique look that reflects your personality. Write a bio to tell others about yourself, your interests, and what you love about Haiti. Lakay respects Haiti's linguistic heritage. We encourage posts in Haitian Creole and French, the 2 languages that shape our education and daily life. Your feed will show content in both languages, and we translate other languages into Creole and French so that everyone understands. If you have a video in another language, you can request translation from the administrator. On top of all that, you can watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 live and for free on the platform. Just click Live World Cup in the menu, choose one of the streaming tabs, and enjoy the game with your friends. Lakay is built with passion, but it needs your support to keep growing. If you enjoy the platform and the live broadcasts, please consider making a donation. Every contribution helps us improve the service and bring you even more content. You can send your donation via Moncash to 509 47 38 to 56 63. I am Gesner Deslandes, and I create software from any idea for any industry. If you need a website, a mobile app, an automation tool, or a complete system, get in touch with me. Email me at deslandes78@gmail.com or call or WhatsApp me at 509 47 38 to 56 63. I will turn your vision into reality. Thank you for being part of the Lakay community. Together, we are building a modern, fun, and inclusive space for all Haitians at home and abroad. Lakay, tout Haiti Lakay.